Hey Remo and Dia, it's Jor-El giving you a little video follow-up here from Audi Winnipeg. Wow, what a small world. Can't believe the relationship. And Robin was telling me all about you guys, so we're super excited to show you some Audis, and that's what I'll do. I'll do my best to help you pick out the best possible car for your lifestyle. And I promise you, Robin will take really good care of you, and she'll do all the pricing, so 100% you're going to be over the moon excited. I'm excited just to work with you. So here's a few picks that I think will be good that I can show you. We have a beautiful 2015 Audi Q5 Technic, the highest model, only 53,840 kilometers, and it's certified, meaning you'll have extra warranty with the vehicle as well. Another few choices that I think we could recommend would be an A6. An A6 is it's a C-segment vehicle. It's one of our most luxurious cars. Quite a bit nicer than even your old model, and with a lot of really neat features. So we have a few here that we can pick from. This in particular 2016 Technic is absolutely gorgeous. You'd be technically the first registered owner, and we can give you a fantastic deal on it. So again, my name is Jor-El. I really look forward to seeing you and meeting you. Let me know what day works best. You can drive the Q5 and the A6, and we can determine which one's best. And then to make sure it's perfect, you can take it for an overnight test drive and really make sure that it suits your lifestyle and your needs, because that's the most important thing for us, is that we take proper care of you. Again, Jor-El from Audi. You can reach me direct at 287-5323 or drop in. I'm in today until 6 p.m. I'm off tomorrow and then back here Saturday from 9 to 6. I look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.